Welcome to another edition of QuantumPOS training on how to use packet sizes. So sometimes you can have a situation where a customer has products and each product is sold in different packets, maybe as singles, as six packs, as a 12 pack, as a 24 pack, and each packet has its own specific price. And you also want to use it in such a manner so that it is easy to actually punch in the sale. So let's show you how to do it in QuantumPOS. Let's go to admin, go to packet sizes, and then we create the packet sizes. So remember, the creation of the packet sizes is a once-off activity. Generally, it's not something that you'll be doing often. So here we have 3 packet sizes already created, each which is basically 1. Then the 6-pack with the quantity of 6. There's 12-pack with the quantity of 12. So here I'm going to create one. I'm going to call it 12-pack. And the quantity for that will be 24. I'm going to save that, and that's it. So generally you just do this once and you don't have to keep coming back. Then I'm going to create packet groups. The reason why I want to create packet groups is because it will be easier for us to then assign that this product has got this set of packet sizes. So some products may have singles, 6-packs only. Others may have a single 6-pack and a 12-pack and a 24-pack, the whole lot for that one product. So it will be easier for us to then link to say this product has these packet sizes that it is using. It will be faster. So as you can see, it's already loaded that I've got a group already here with this name EA61224. And I'm going to click view. It will tell me what this group has. So this group has EA, which is each, which is 1, then the 6-pack 6, 12-pack 12. So we need to add the 24 so that it makes sense here. I'll just come 24 pack and I'm going to add it to this group. And that's it. So now we have this group is now set up completely. If you've made a mistake, you can easily delete and redo it again. All right. For the sake of the demo, I'm going to create a second group. I'm going to call it EA6, maybe just like this. I'm going to save it. Let's view it. So EA6 is going to have each, add that, and it's also going to have 6-pack. So I add that as well. So that's just how easy it is to create the packet size groups. Okay, so here we're done. Now let's have a product, and then we're going to link it to what the packet size is going to be. So we come here, I'm going to look for a packet. Let me look for a product to use. Okay, I've got now these products have other linkages. Maybe let's just create a new product. There's no harm. All right, so I'm going to create a new product. It's called Evergreen Align. Okay. So it's going to have just some standard prices here. Okay, supplier. Okay. So at least we've created a product. And we put in some stock as well. So let's come here. Let's look for that product Evergreen. Right. So we've got a branch. We've got 3 branches here. Let's view the packet sizes set. So right now there are no packet sizes set for this product. Right. So it's being sold like a normal product. And then we want to assign a particular packet size group. In this case, we want to use this one. And then we apply it. Right. Now we have to set the prices now. So you see here that there are no prices. So how much is a single? Maybe the single is going for $1. How much is okay, so maybe for the 6-pack, we're going to sell each one at an equivalent of maybe 0.9, that's 90 cents. The 12-pack, maybe we're selling it at 0.8. If you don't want to send to enter the prices per unit and you want to enter them per pack, you can also do that. Let's say, for example, you want to sell 24 pack at 14.40. You'll see that the price becomes 60 cents for the unit price. And let's save these prices. When you're saving, the system will ask you whether you want to set these prices for all the branches that you have in the system or just for one branch. So in this case, maybe we want to send it for all the branches. We select, and the prices have been changed and applied for all the branches. Okay, so now let's go and try and sell this product and see how it looks. We go to sales. I'm going to start our shift. All right, so we select our product, evergreen lime. As soon as you pick it, you will see that it shows you that it has a packet. And by default, it picks the biggest packet, the packet with the highest quantity. In this case, is the 24 pack. And then the price is already there, 60 cents per unit. And you get a subtotal there. And then you can enter that. You don't need to see that. All right, and if you are happy with that, we can conclude the sale. They pay $20. So for the sake of this demo, we're also going to just look at how the invoice looks like. Go down here. I think what's important is here. So the description is the 500 ml evergreen lime, 24 pack by 1. So the actual quantity we're selling is 24. The unit price is 60 cents, and this is the total. So this is how it comes out. And wonderful. And that's it. Basically, that's how the things are moving. Maybe for the sake of seeing how the stocks look like, let's just do a report here on movement of that particular product, individual product movement. Yeah, again. So you see that new stock in of 100, then we sold 24, so our balance is now 76. All right, I hope everything seems clear. Get in touch with us for QuantumPOS. It's a modern system, very powerful, gets the job done. Thank you.